What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have vanity plugs. I never knew that these even existed, okay? I'm just gonna give it straight out honest with y'all. I never knew these existed until I put in a faucet in the hall bath that I'm renovating right now. And the faucet that I put in is a single hole faucet. And the other two holes are exposed and it looks kind of cringy. So I went online and I put in vanity top hole plugs and these popped up. Amazing. Y'all make everything. I love y'all. Whoever makes everything. Oh my goodness. So I am an all-around channel, you guys. I review almost everything I buy in my house, and almost everything I buy results of home products such as for the kitchen, the bathroom, your garden, your lawn, your garage, and stuff like that. So I'm an all-around channel. I don't have a niche. My niche is my personality. If you like my personality, you like my niche. Intro done. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. So I did purchase two. So white and black. All right, white and black, and they are both from China. All right, so if you have an issue with that, if you have an issue with products from China, please get rid of everything in your house, because more than likely it's made in China. And if you don't like it, I will buy stuff that's made from China. All right. I don't know what's going on. You know, America wanted to ban TikTok. Right here we have the hardware, and it says it's metal plugs. So I don't know why I knocked on it through the plastic like I can actually feel. Yep, this is definitely metal and it is smooth. So this looks very nice, you guys. Look how shiny it is. Very nice. All right. So this is basically simple. No, you do not get instructions. So you will have to use your imagination. It's like, no. So from what I see is you screw it in. All right. Now they give you a washer so you don't scratch your top. So there goes your washer right there. All right, so your washer actually recessed inside of the lip, so it's flush. So all of this is flush right now. All right, now what you do is put it over your top, and then you have another washer here, and you want to put this under because you don't want this to scratch the bottom of your sink, even though the bottom of your sink really don't matter. So you put this in like this, and then you have your little wing nut. And you put this on like this, all right? And there you go. So with that being said, I will go ahead and install this for y'all to finalize this review. But before I do that, let's go ahead and check out the white one. Now, if you have a black vanity top or you have a black kitchen sink, you can also use this for, you know, if you want to block kitchen sink holes. Maybe you have 3 holes and you want to have just a 1 hole faucet. You might want to block the other holes for some reason. This is a good tool to have. So let's check this one out. And here goes the white one. This is the one that I am going to use since the vanity top is white. I will save the other one for a different date. And oh, I like the matte finish. This looks very nice. All right. There's no issues whatsoever, and this will go real good with the vanity top, you guys. All right, same situation, but I will install it for y'all upstairs. I just want to make sure I got all my materials. Yes, 2, 2, to all right, so we got the washer for that, washer for that. Oh, so you just need one washer. Okay, now it makes sense. All right, so it's just one washer, you guys. That was my bad. So it's not two washers on it. My bad. My bad. Rewind this whole thing. All right. So this washer is for this one alone, and then you just place this on the bottom. That's why I was like, the bottom of your sink don't matter. So you just place this on the bottom, but you do need this washer for the top to protect your vanity top, you guys. Always want to protect your vanity top. So with this one, you put this right there on there, and it is flush. Screw this on, and then you put this on the bottom. So you set this on your vanity top, put this on the bottom, and then screw it on, and that will be it. Now I will be doing the final demonstration in the bathroom. All right, you guys, so here I have the two white ones. Make sure your black washer is right there. And there you go. All right, it has a nice blend. You could tell that the cap is there, but you know, if that don't really bother you, then you should be good. Keep your rubber washer on the bottom of the cap and put it on top so that way you don't scratch your surface. Now, last thing you have to do is put your cap on the bottom and then put your wing nut on. And I can show y'all that, or I can just end it here. All right, you guys, so it looks very nice. You can't really tell. You could tell like up close, but if you're far away, you're not really paying attention to it. But if you want a single sink, or if you want a single faucet right here, this will be a good alternative. I do have another alternative if you have a single faucet. I am going to remove those. Remove, and I'm going to show y'all what the black caps look like. All right, this is matte black. Now, if you put black on white, that's how it will look. Now, y'all can let me know what y'all think. Maybe white might be better since I have a white top. If you have a black kitchen sink, then if you want to cover up a hole on your black kitchen sink, this may do the trick. But I don't know. You might like the look of it. And yeah, so let's go ahead. Now, this is a bronze finish. This is a matte black finish. I know you can't really tell because of the camera and the lighting, but yeah, so that is the finish of that. And y'all can let me know y'all thoughts. But if you need to cover up holes so that way when water splash, water don't go underneath under your sink, then you know this will be the alternative right here if you want to have a single faucet. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Links will be in the description to both of these caps. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.